The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 4 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles west of Middle River to 23 nautical miles north of Tidal Basin to 17 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Eastern Bay, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Towchester Beach, Pools Island, Miles River, Love Point, North Beach, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and Thomas Point Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Pre-warning.
Special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland.
Stevie North.
Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland.
North.
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to
North.
Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown,
Nope.
Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 5:45 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rock Hall to Greenberry Point to 10 nautical miles west of Deal, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind.
Okay.
Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Kent Narrows Bridge, Magothy River, Rock Hall, Eastern Bay, Blackownet Point, Greenberry Point, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Gibson Island, Chesapeake Beach, Love Point, North Beach, Baltimore Light, and Dares Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Weather alert! Severe thunderstorm warning! Holy crap! We got SVR today! What is happening? Oh, holy! WNG might actually activate! Oh! Alright, I know what this is. This is for Kent, Delaware. Kent County. Alright, Kent County. That's WWJZ. Alright.
Thunderstorm warning for central Kent County and central Delaware, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, and County in northeastern Maryland.
Oh, WWH is activating. WWH is going off. W.
But it's hard being autistic.
Let me see if WKPV is gonna.
Greensboro, Barclay,
Oh.
Ridgely, Wyoming, Rock Hall, Old Town, Drassonville, Rising Sunshine,
All right.
Lebanon, Star.
This is good to know.
Evansville,
WKPV
Kingstown,
relays
Jonestown,
alerts.
Templeton, Hazlettsville, Highland
I'm gonna
Acres,
go head back.
Queenstown,
Wow.
Golden Base Housing, Goldsboro, and Sandtown.
Alright, that's gonna be.
For your protection, move to an interior room.
I'm gonna set that on here.
For the following counties: Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland: Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot.
Let me see if WH is still activating. Alright guys, Burlington County WX here. So, I know this isn't an EAS alert, but I just wanted to add this into the compilation, if there is one. There is a load of there's a load of rain going down right now in my area. I wouldn't be surprised if we see an SVR for my town right now. But, anyways, if there's another alert and this is a compilation, on to the next alert. Marine warning! Marine warning! Marine warning! Marine warning!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued
Oh.
a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 5:30 p.m.
That's WNG, WNG!
Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Beach.
That's WNG 704! Run! Come on!
Northwest winds.
Are you kidding me?
Miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Sunday night.
Alright, well, I know WXK97 is gonna relay this. Right? 97's gotta relay this. There's no way they aren't. Come on! You gotta be kidding me, 97. Alright. WNG, marine warning. Marine warning. WXM60 is down, so I'm gonna have to rely on KW35 for this. Where are they? Alright, we're gonna go out. Go outside for this. You can hear it, kind of. Marine warning. Marine warning. Where are you? Alerts! Another marine warning! Another marine warning, here we go! Here we go, more marines!
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland.
North?
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island.
Yup, that's WNG 704.
Maryland. Eastern Bay. Without
That's WNG. Alright. Finally. Oh, you're gonna be...
11 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 9 nautical miles.
If this only relayed the...
northwest of Fort Smallwood
If
State
this...
Park and
Only
9
this
nautical miles
San
northeast
Gene
of
activated.
Tidal Basin, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard. Sudden onset of wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source. Observed wind. Impact. Boaters and small craft could be frozen.
LWX Marine.
Bridge. North Point State Park. Magothy River. Eastern Bay. Dobbins Island. Pools Island. Herring Bay. Gunpowder River. Sandy Point State Park. Williams River. Lodge Point Light. Dobbins Point Light. Butler River. 3 seconds. Fort Smallwood Submarine.
Oh, that's 97.
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and highways. Here is the National Weather Service.
Alright, WWJZ relays tours apparently on this day.
State Parkway between mile markers 78 and
Apparently WWJZ relays for Ocean County. I didn't ever knew that.
a room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
It's close. Yes. Somebody's... Wait, is WNJ? Nope, nope, nope.
Again for the following county, Ocean, New Jersey.
Alert on WXK97. Oh, go.
Fine, I'll go.
Alert on WXK97. Alert on WXK97.
Let's go.
Go. Go. Oh, it's Marine. Can I get WXK94? I don't know where this is. KWO35 Marine. Let me see if 94 is going to go off. I can't hear them. They're not coming in.
Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Garden State.
I wonder if 97 is going to go off. Nope.
Saturday, April 25th.
35 Marine.
Until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from...
Where's the alert? Yep, Marine warning. Strong thunderstorms are also expected to impact northeast Jersey. No! Warning.
At 7:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line
Why did you
extending
fail?
from 6 nautical miles west of East Western Bay to near Upper New York Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Everything's in
Locations impacted include the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Upper New York Harbor, Lower New York Harbor, Jamaica Bay, and Rockaway Inlet. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.